Okay, this is another day. This is like our third official day here, second day in Japan. Last night was really, really fun, and we didn't do a closing video because we were so exhausted.
Yeah.
What'd you think of the day, though?
It was busy, very exciting. I learned a lot yesterday, but we were really tired. At the
Really
end of the day.
tired. So there's a video for yesterday. Go and see that. It'll just end as however we can end it. Another great meal and all that. So today, what are we doing? Well, we're going to the Cup Noodles Museum, which is right down the street here from the hotel. We're actually walking there. It's a little rainy out right now. Yeah. But what's cool is our ship that we're getting on, the Viking Yi Dun. So it's right here, right next to the hotel that's looking out our bedroom window. You can see it from here. Really, really cool. So we're going to do the cup of noodles, right? And then they're going to take us to lunch again, more food. And then we're going to work on getting on the ship. And so I'm going to try to do some a ship tour. So I'll have one video just of the ship itself. So if you're interested in the Viking Yi Dun ship, definitely take a look, because it does go from like Japan to China. It does a lot of the Asian country tours other than this. Very exclusive, chartered. It's chartered. Everybody on that ship is going to be from our Japanet cruise tour people. So really, really cool. Another not so full of a day today. And then tomorrow is like one full day at sea. So we're just going to explore the ship for that. So, and then continue on. So anyways, a little quick intro. Here you go. Let's take follow along for the day. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow us so you can see all the adventures here in Japan. And we're going to go grab a bite to eat and then go on our tours. You ready?
Yeah. See you later.
All right, let's go. This here is the date in Japanese. We're going to write the date on here for us, and we have to eat it within 1 month. And so they give us the cup. We're going to design it. They're going to put the cups, the noodles, the spices, all that stuff in here, and they're going to wrap it up, and we have 1 month to eat it.
Yeah, we're getting there. Yeah.
また見つかってもらって
Yes.
ます。高いので触ってみてくださいね。
Okay, perfect. That's it.
Now it's time to get on the Yi Dun by Viking Cruises. This was kind of a breeze to get on. It was one of the easiest times to actually board on a ship that I've ever done. It was pretty much a breeze, like I said. We just go right in, you check in and do your thing, and then just walk pretty much right on board. You do have to go through some security stuff, and we have some security here right at the front part of it as well. But then the first thing we did is actually head out to the spa. And why did we do that? Well, because Jennifer wants to have a massage done on the very first day of the cruise, which is all day at sea. It's tomorrow, the next day. So we stopped here and booked her appointment, and they sell out fast, especially on a sea day the next day. We did get a little tour here from this nice gentleman of the gym, which we didn't use. But what we did use is this spa area. This is kind of a Nordic spa area, hot tub with this is a heated stone beds, which we took naps on a few times. And this is a snow room. It is super cold in there, and for those who like to go from hot to cold, this is a snow room. We did explore the ship a little bit. This is a little book exchange, like a little library area. And the atrium. The atrium was beautiful. It is a smaller ship, so you can only see like 3 stories here instead of like 10 or 12, like some of those ginormous ones. But it was beautiful, well decorated, super, super nice, high-end, classy ship. This was a nice little bar area that had some snacks as well. Okay, we made it to our room, and we walked in and we saw a surprise. So I'm going to show you guys here. You ready to go see it?
Yes.
All right, here we go. Oh yeah, our luggage is here, and you can see it takes up most of the hallway. So this is the deluxe veranda, by the way, but take a look at this. How cute.
Such a good job. It's so cute.
Nice. Okay, and we have a little problem here. They have the beds separated. We need to have them push that together. This is our honeymoon, people. Get our beds together. And here behind all these suitcases is also another set of drawers. The Japanet crew were so good with helping us make some changes and checking out the restaurants for food options for Jennifer. She doesn't eat raw fish. It seems we didn't have any video or photo of our dinner, but it was great, and they provided this really cool honeymoon cake for us. Afterwards was a show that we went to, and it was a non-speaking show. It was music and dancing, which was really nice.